The year was 2000. It was there was a lot of investment happening in IT. There was a lot of interest in new companies being built and new ideas coming up. There was a lot of investment available from venture capitalists who were interested in investing in these companies. So it all worked for us. The timing was right, the funding was available, energy was there, combined energy of all the people involved in setting up the company, and so that's how we got into creating this organization. Cerulean Infotech is primarily a software services company. We largely develop custom software, websites and web applications for our customers. But we are not purely a programming company. It's not like you just give us some requirements, we program it and give it back to you. We work largely with small and medium-sized companies, both in India and US and Europe. Typically for these companies, they don't have the bandwidth or the capital and infrastructure to invest in an IT department of their own. They don't know how to manage it, they don't have the time, and they need to focus on, they want to keep their sizes small because they're focusing on the service or the delivery part of it and the marketing, and that's where we step in. We become their outsourced IT department. We handle their IT infrastructure assessment, we assess their programming needs, their hosting needs, whatever it might be related to their IT requirements, and we manage that part of it for them. Bangalore was a strategic decision for us. Bangalore was and still is the IT hub in India. It's typically the primary destination for the programming talent of India. We started off small. We hardly had 5 employees when we started the company, and we didn't have the bandwidth of the capital to invest in training these people, and we couldn't take freshers and give them training. We needed people who could hit the ground running, and we knew we'd find that in Bangalore. We could always find talent here, ready, trained, capable talent, and that's the reason why we chose Bangalore. When we started, we thought everything is going to go great. Everyone starts that way, but we faced challenges pretty soon. We started in 2000, and then 2001, there was the dot-com bust. A lot of the dot-coms that were out there went bust. We lost a lot of clients because of that. Then 9/11 happened, and then businesses were closing left, right, and center. So we were plunged into crisis like just 1 year into the business, and it took a lot of change in strategy at that point, a lot of tightening of our belts. It made us, of course, all the more resilient and tougher, so to speak, because we learned very quickly what needs to be done when there's a crisis, how we need to economize, where we can cut costs, and those lessons are still hold us good today. I mean, those practices we've held on to. It's not like when things have gotten better, we've splurged or anything like that. But there have been successes along the way. We worked with really big names. We worked with Citibank. We worked with Sun Microsystems. We continue to work with Cisco regularly, and also on mobile. And so we've had a lot of marquee clients and a lot of exciting and good projects which we've done for these, as well as small companies that we've helped to grow to the size that they are now. They would not have been able to achieve their goals if they hadn't followed the outsourcing path and used us as their development partners.